Welcome to Chimahaba Spiritual TV, where spirituality is our watchword. Please consider subscribing, like our videos, share our videos, and comment on the comment section. Are you physically or emotionally sick? Are you under a spell? Or do you know anyone who is under a spell? Are you looking for a way to drive away negative energy from your home, from your body? This message is for you. All you need to do is to make sure you watch this video to the end. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. You are welcome to Chimamata Spiritual TV. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you for being here. On this channel, it's all about spirituality. We share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual messages, messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you defeat your enemies, messages that will bring blessings to your life, using the power of the universe and the power of the Almighty God who created heaven and earth, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. Also using natural ingredients, natural resources, natural plant, natural herbs, natural materials that God has created, harnessing their spiritual powers, spiritual energies, frequencies, and vibration in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. And if you are just joining us for the very first time, you need to become a bona fide member of this channel. Please consider subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get notified. Like my videos, comment on the comment section, share my videos to your families, to your friends, to your well-wishers, to the whole world. And as you do this, God is going to make a way for you. Whatsoever that made you to come in contact with this face, my God is going to see you through. And for those of you who are my bona fide subscribers, my returning subscribers, my day one gang, those of you who has brought me this far, you know who you are. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I pray for you as the sun has risen from the east to the west to the north to the south, and nothing could stop the sun from rising. Nothing will stop you from making it. You must go from higher to higher, and so shall it be. Are you physically or emotionally sick? Are you under a spell of any man or any woman? Or do you know anybody who is under a spell? Are you looking for a way to drive away negative energy from your home, from your room, from your life? This message is for you. All you need to do for me is to get me onions. One ball of onions. One ball of onions. These onions helps you to get rid of evil spirit, to get rid of evil forces, to get rid of negative energies. So for that reason, we are going to be using onion in order to heal you physically, emotionally. That illness that has been disturbing you, that you have been carrying the burden alone. With onions, you can cure that illness both physically and emotionally. That spell that they have cast on you, that at night you will never have rest. At night you are dreaming. You are seeing dead bodies. You are seeing yourself in an old home. You are seeing masquerade chasing you. You see yourself swimming in the water. You see yourself eating in the dream. That sickness that has been disturbing you. In the morning you are sick. In the afternoon you are okay. When it comes at night, you are thinking because you are afraid for the night to come, because of the evil attack, because of the evil forces, because of you are emotionally sick, you are physically sick. Get me one board of red onions, and you must get me the one that has the tail. Look at it here. You see the roots. You must get the one that has the root. Another item you are going to get me is your sea salt. Salt that is made up of sodium chloride. Salt that is used to sanctify, to purify the body, the soul, both spiritually and physically. Salt repairs, salt destroys, salt cleans, salt while away evil spirit, evil attack, and so on and so forth. For that reason, we are going to be using these two in order to heal you physically, spiritually, emotionally, your sickness, in order to stop every evil spell that is working against you. But before I tell you how to use this, I would like to introduce my product on here, because it's called Walk and Chop. For those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, my name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, we have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. And a lot of people has been buying it, and it has been from one testimony to the other. And yours, it will never get your turn and stop. We have the road opening soap. If you have been experiencing blockages, if you have been experiencing setback, if you have been experiencing stagnation, no matter what you do, no matter how you struggle, you came home with empty pockets, you came home with empty-handed, we have the road opening soap. When you are using this soap to bathe, every unclean spirit will leave you, every dirtiness will leave you, and good things will start to happening. We have the curse breaking soap for those of you who are under manipulation, who are under curse, of their generation, under curse of their paternal side, their maternal side, and no matter what you do, nothing is working for you. When you are using this soap to bathe, any curse that any man or any woman has laid on you, to whom it may concern, this soap is going to destroy it, and you are going to have light, you are going to have prosperity, people are going to start favoring you, people will begin to love you. We have the anti-witchcraft soap for those of you who are under witchcraft activities. They have been sucking your blood slowly, spiritually, physically. You are dying silently. Each time you open your body, you see mark, people finger on your body. We have the anti-witchcraft soap. Whenever you are using this soap to bathe, that witch, that evil people will begin to run for you. Those unfriendly friends will begin to run for you. We also have the cleansing bath detox. If things are not working for you, spiritual works are not working for you, when you use this cleansing bath detox to take your bath, all your aura will be cleansed. You will be purified. You will be sanctified, and good things will start to be happening. We have the Equable Plus detox, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver, the moving object remover. If you are suffering from moving object, if you have eaten something in the dream, have they poisoned you in the dream, have they throw you evil arrow, and from that you have been experiencing moving object, you have been going to the physician, to the doctors, you have been diagnosing yourself, and they are seeing nothing, that is spiritual problem. If you don't take time, it's going to kill you. I have the antidote to your problem, and I can beat up my chest 10 times and tell you that this product is tested and trusted. It is called Equable Plus detox, the anti-witchcraft movement object remover. If you need this product, don't hesitate to call me on the phone. My number is +234 7088 136610. That is my number. We also have the Love and Attraction soap. We have the Harm Me Not soap. If you are afraid that your enemy is going to harm you, we have the Harm Me Not soap. Whenever you are using this soap to bathe, nobody will harm you. We also have the Love and Affectionate soap. This is for those who want to add spices in their relationship or in their marriage. And we have the Stop Evil oil. We have the 99 Demon Manipulation Stop Evil oil. We also have our bracelets, protection bracelets, attraction bracelets, Pancane oil, original honey, and so on and so forth. If you need each and every of our products, don't hesitate to call my number, +234 7088 136610. That is my number. And please, if you have never subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing to the red button down below this video. Share this video, like this video, and God bless you. Without wasting each and every of your time, let me let the cat out of the bag. Are you physically or emotionally sick? Are you under a spell of any man or any woman? Do you know any of your friends who is under a spell? This message is for them. Are you looking for a way to drive away negative energy from your home, from your room? This message is for you. All you need to do is to get me onions. You know, many people don't understand the spiritual energy of onions, the spiritual benefit, the spiritual uses of onions. We only know onions as eatable something, because we use it to cook our jollof rice, we use it to prepare our spaghetti, we use it to cook our noodles, we use it to make our pepper soup. It has a nice aroma. That is not all about onions. Onions possesses a lot of spiritual energies and vibration that will drive away evil forces, that will drive away evil spirit, that will cleanse negative energy. And for that reason, you are going to get me these onions and the sea salt. Another thing you are going to get me is something like this, a white plate. First and foremost, you have to add your sea salt inside the white plate. Remember, we are using this to heal ourselves physically, emotionally, also to stop every evil spell, and also to drive away negative energy from our home. If you have been sick physically or emotionally, get me these onions. Look at the way you are going to cut it. You are going to cut it into half. Half. Look at it. Then, my salt is already inside my plate. If you are physically, emotionally sick, look at. Add it on top of the onions. Like this way. This recipe is best done when there is moon. But if there is no moon, all you need to do is to open your window so that the air from the outside will come inside your room. It will drive the energy of the moon, even though the moon is not there, inside that room to make this particular recipe effective. Look at the way you are going to keep the onions on top of the sea salt, and you begin to pray. You know that which is causing you physically or emotionally sickness. That sickness that you are going through, that is giving you sleepless night. Pray it and stir the universe to come and remove it. That evil dream that you normally have, that masquerade that used to chase you inside your dream. You know what you are going through. You know how you used to fall sick at night. Even though you are using this to drive away negative energy, do it this way. And pray against every negative energy around your home, around your vicinity. Tell the universe, tell God in heaven that through this recipe, that onions possesses the power to liberate and to destroy the evil forces, to get rid of evil forces. For that reason, let every evil forces around your vicinity, let every negative energy, let every demon on assignment from any man, from any woman, from four corners of the earth, as you have placed these onions on top of this salt, let them begin to find their way. And let the universe come and speak for your help. You are driving away every spiritual sickness, every physical or emotional sickness that is affecting your life, affecting your marriage, affecting your household, after making your prayers to the universe. Look at this. This one is not the one that you are going to place under your pillow. It has to go under your bed. You that normally have bad dreams, that masquerade is chasing you, you are seeing bad people. By doing this recipe this way, it's going to drive away negative energy from your home. It's going to destroy every evil spell of any man or any woman, as long as you have said it with your own mouth. Because the word of God says, I will do what I had you said. So you must pray yourself out. After making the prayers, keep it this way and put it under your bed, under your mattress. Let it be there for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you go there and bring it out and say, owners of evil load, carry your load. I am using this to drive away every physical or emotional sickness in my body. Every evil spell that any man or any woman has cast against me, in my body, in my home. Every negative energy in my home, I am using this recipe to drive you away. As I'm pouring this away, I pour you away. You take this out of your house and go and throw it. When you come back, go to your bed and knock your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Knock your hand 7 times. Yes, and breathe in and breathe out. Go and wash your hand and come back to your bed and breathe in and breathe out. The work is done. that physical or emotional sickness, you will never see it again. That negative energy, by this recipe, you drive it away. Go and try this out and come back with testimony. At this junction, I have come to the end of this video. If there's anything you don't understand that I say on here, don't hesitate to ask me on the comment section. And if there's any of my product that you need, you will call me on the phone or chat me on WhatsApp, as I am open to communication. Please keep sharing this video. Share it to the whole world. Let it go viral. Let this video go viral. Even though you cannot call me to patronize me, the way you are going to patronize me is to share my video, or by commenting, or by liking my video, or subscribing to my channel. Do this and God will keep blessing you. Thank you for coming back to watch my videos.